This is a recording.
You're recording this? Where am I? What are you guys doing with me?
We've been hired by the Bosnian witch to force you to make more how to rotate videos.
Fuck the Bosnian witch, I'll never do it. Suck my dick.
Two guys named Stainless and Dewey have been catching on to her plan.
I know they're pretty cool guys. I'm still not gonna make more rotate videos, so I don't care.
We don't have much of a choice.
I don't care, okay? I'm not making more videos. I'm not doing it. This costs too much.
Okay, you don't want to do it for us? Fine. But do it for her.
What? Okay, I'll show you, okay, I'll do it.
You sure?
Yes, Booba, I want more Booba.
More and more?
I want more.
Okay.
I'll do the videos, I promise.
Henchman? You agree? Yeah? Okay. Very nice. Now, you've been in here for quite a while now. Can you now confess and tell me how to rotate?
Okay, fine. Fine, I'll do it. Okay, so first you have to go to the top right, top left. No, top left, top left.
Top, you sure?
Yes, top left. There's a funny rectangle. You press the funny rectangle.
Funny rectangle.
And then.
Oh, I see. It's like, yeah, rotate, right?
Yeah, and then you select the image.
Okay. So,
And
rotate.
when you select the image, then you press the rotate button, and you do 90 degrees.
Okay. Now what?
Did you rotate it? Is it done?
Wait, let me rotate it one more time. There we go.
There you go. You rotate the image. I'll do more, I promise. Just let me go, please.